Okay, welcome to Physics 5B, summer 2020. My name is Chip Armstrong. Um, Basically, this is going to be the syllabus, and I'm just going to go over a few things on this. So, this is just a description of what it is. My name is Chip Armstrong. Also, you can email me. I'm trying to get better at reading my email regularly. Probably read it tomorrow morning for the first time in a few days. But anyway, chip@csus.edu. It's still Sunday night, so Monday morning when our class is supposed to start, I'll go through and try to read all the emails, see what's going on. YouTube channel, this is where you found this video, so you know about the YouTube channel. So this is going to be conducted completely online. We're not going to have face-to-face meetings, unfortunately. So anyway, but I haven't used Zoom yet, but since this seems like it's going to go on for a while, I don't know when we're going to have classes in person again. So I'm going to start probably trying to use Zoom once in a while. I'll give you a couple days notice. So in other words, I'll say, well, okay, on Monday I want to have a meeting on Zoom. So I'll probably send something out on Friday saying, okay, Monday we're going to have a meeting on Zoom. All right, but so just to go over stuff, whatever. Most of the stuff will be done with these YouTube channels, so you're not stuck to having it to be at some place, or you're not fighting with your mother and dad or brothers and sisters or whoever your significant other over time on the computer because they got to work from home or whatever it is. So okay, but be prepared that we may have Zoom meetings. I'm going to try to start doing that now. Okay, final will just be the last Thursday of the semester. It's August 13th, so that's going to be that day right there, August 2020, Thursday. So the semester goes till the 14th. We don't have Friday classes, so that's going to be our last day to meet. Okay, the book is it's free. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is right here. And this is our first chapter we're working on. So all you need to do is you go to OpenStax. So I can actually, let's see if I go back a little bit, I can finally get to Google. You have to go to OpenStax. I may have to go a while. Yeah, I've been all over this, so I'm gonna have to go. So anyway, you go to, if you could go to Google. You just get this is so you just go to Google, go open STAX, OpenStax. So then Google returns something like this, and you can click on science. Okay, this is taking too long to open. I don't know why. So anyway, this is what you'll get. So this is the first chapter we're going to do, section 18.1. Okay, so it's completely free. You just have to go here, OpenStax, and I think I've got the information all there. So actually there it is. There's the link right there. Okay, no lab book. The lab book is written so that we would be using equipment in Sequoia Hall. Obviously, we're not going to be in that building, so we don't have access to that equipment. So I need to come up with labs that we can do online, and I'll be using the PHET. I think I've got it open here someplace. PHET free online. So I'll be using this. There's physics right there. So you got all these physics ones. So the first one you'll do, I've kind of got it written up, but build an atom. This is we're doing electrostatics. We've got build an atom. So we do this one up here too, build an atom, and then so that way that'll be the lab. We'll be using this plus other resources that I can come up with online. Okay, course grading quizzes will be 15%, homework 10%. That's basically in lecture things. The not in lecture, online worksheets. 2 exams, comprehensive final exam, and hold on, I got it. Homework. Oh yeah, you do have homework. Never mind. You have homework. I got it. Never mind. All right. In lecture, you should be online assignments. Here, I'll re-upload this thing. Online. It's not in lecture anymore. Online assignments. Okay. Exams. There'll be at this point the exams will be mostly true, false, multiple choice, and short answer questions. Mainly because I'm spending so much time coming up with new material to be able to do this online that I'm spending more hours teaching classes online than I did having to teach them in person. So as a result, I'm trying to limit the amount of time I spend grading stuff. But so there may be some stuff because you guys do need to be graded on, you know, problem solving and stuff like that. But it looks like it's going to be mostly true, false, and multiple choice. And then they'll be given during our normal hours. They'll be on Thursdays. The exams will be on Thursdays. So a week from this Thursday will be our first one. Remember, it's summer session. We only have 6 weeks, so we got to go fast. Normally you'd be allowed to have a page of notes, but due to the current circumstances, okay. So I don't have a way to monitor students, so you'll have access to your online assignments, your homework, and your and these PowerPoint. See, I'll work on it some more. We got this PowerPoint thing. That's all I've got so far. All right, but this has been uploaded. But you got to keep uploading. This PowerPoint is a work in progress. It will not be complete until we are done with Chapter 18. All right, but I've been busy with the online stuff, so. Okay, so you basically, because if I say no, you can't use that stuff, you just got a page of notes like normally, then you got the really honest students who will say, oh, I only have to have a page of notes, okay. And then the not so honest students will say, well, he's not looking over my shoulder in my window, so I can get away with doing all this stuff. And that'll give the not so honest students an advantage over the honest students. So now that you've got that, you got to use all that other stuff. You shouldn't have to do anything else. And if you have to do anything beyond that in the terms of cheating, anything beyond the rules, then you probably shouldn't be in college, honestly. You get to have you get to have all that stuff. Okay, I'm not making any rules against using that stuff, but you got to use it yourself. You can't be getting help from others, anything like that. So our exams, yeah, I did update this. So July 16th, which will be here. So this is today. Here's where you're watching this video. This is when I'm making the video. Here's where you're watching it. So here will be the first one. The second will be there, and then the final will be August 13th. Which, if we go a little bit further, you can see there's August 13th right there. Okay, so July 16th, July 30th, and then the final. Okay, so remember, we're going fast. Quiz every Tuesday and Thursday. We won't have one this Tuesday, tomorrow, but we'll have a quiz on Thursday. Okay, quizzes will be modeled heavily on the homework questions, and in some cases may actually be a homework question with small changes, such as using different numbers. Again, there will be mostly true, false, multiple choice, short answer type things, just like the exams. Homework will be assigned once weekly. So here's the first. It's not what I want. Here, okay. Here's the first homework assignment. That's probably going to be it. It's already due. It's due on Thursday, and our first quiz is Thursday. So I may add 2 more problems at most up until July, 7th. Okay, so that means Tuesday. So you want to check this again Wednesday. You may have an updated version of this. I'll send out an email saying there's an updated version of this. Okay, but that's what we have so far. And then these are the ones that I'll work through. So we'll work through these problems down here. You don't do these problems in turn. This is your in-lecture assignment. So you do give me this. You turn this into Canvas. Okay, but if you pay attention to the videos, you should be able. I'm going to do these problems. I've got them worked out already on. I don't have it up, but I do have the solutions to these, and that's what you'll be seeing when you watch the YouTube videos I'll make for these. Okay, so there's our first assignment. It's already up, and okay, so online assignments. Okay, the lab again will be me coming up with stuff for you to do online through PHET. There may be some experiments. Your own has experiments where you can. This is by the way, the book is called Your Own. I didn't mention that. College Physics. I think it's the only one up here. And he used to be a teacher at Sac State. I actually know him. Actually know Peter Your Own. But this is the one we'll be using, and it does have once in a while little things that you could do with household items. So maybe I'll say, oh, you got these items in your house. Maybe you can try this experiment at home. Okay, and then there's the breakdown. If you get 90% or above, you're guaranteed an A, and so forth. All right. Almost said any questions because I'm used to not doing it like this. All right. So on the here is the Canvas page for this class. I'm going to put labs down here. I'm not going to keep separate, like I got 2 labs, right? I'm not going to have separate pages for those. You just have everybody turn their labs in someplace here. I'll put someplace. I didn't upload the PowerPoint presentation yet. That'll be uploaded by the time you see this video. But you can see if I put it in student view. So watch, I go student view. So everything should be up. So PowerPoint hasn't been up. I'll get that. So this is the first day roll survey. Okay, then here's your chapter 18, 19. These are the equations. I may still have those up someplace. Here they are. So you'll see this. These are equations that are important for those two chapters. Okay, so they're all right here in one little place for you to look at. And then what else is on here? So you got the electromagnetic series that I'll be referring to soon with these videos. It's right here. This might not make sense now, but it will make sense hopefully soon. And then we've got the okay, syllabus is here. So syllabus is what we're going over right now. Online worksheet, I just showed you that. And then this is where you turn the online worksheet into, and then I'll get the PowerPoint. So the first day survey, just quiz blocked. Okay, it's blocked until, okay, but let me leave student view. Okay, so here is the quiz. Let me preview it. There's no time limit. It's not being graded. It's just for me to find out. So okay, you're planning on being enrolled in the course and keep up the assignments. You know, say true. Hopefully, you can attend Zoom meetings if you are given 2 days notice. So in other words, I say, okay, I decided we should have a Zoom meeting on Wednesday. I'll let you guys know on Monday that I'm planning on having a Zoom meeting on Wednesday, and hopefully everybody can show up. And I've never done a Zoom meeting yet. I've been doing everything through the YouTube channel, so we'll see how it goes. Now this part here, I've got students telling me that they're unable to do certain, well, not students, I had only 2 students out of the many that I've had so far, that for some reason, if they do something with their cell phone, other students I think are taking pictures with their cell phones, and I don't know anything about smartphones at all. I looked it up here, how to use your Android's phone camera as a free PDF. So in other words, you can take pictures apparently with your smartphone, you can get them onto your computer as a PDF, and then once they're a PDF, there's tons of things you can do. You can come here, use the Paint 3D, you can paste something into there, you can do the print screen or copy screen. Just look up on the internet how to copy your screen. All I have to do is hit 2 little buttons and it'll copy this whole page, and then I can upload it wherever I want. Okay, so basically I need to know if you draw something by freehand, okay, you've got a scanner, or you can take a picture with your smartphone, you can then get it on your computer, probably it's a PDF file, I don't know, but I've seen how people have done it with the PDF file. Then you can put it onto whatever document you need to, and then you can ship it off to Canvas. Okay, so that's the quiz. It's kind of, I may think of more questions tonight, but probably not. I'm pretty tired right now. It's already 8:09. And I've been working on this for most of the day, trying to get everything ready. So, let's see, is there anything else I wanted to say? Let's see, schedule. Oh yeah, I haven't finished this yet. This will be uploaded, but this is what I did for summer 2019. It's obviously going to be different because we're not going to do those labs. And boy, I bet there's something else I wish I was saying. Just the other thing, I guess, the PowerPoint. Okay, there's only 2 pages there now. I'll go ahead and upload it. But basically, I'll try to upload another video tomorrow where we will go over the first chapter, chapter 18 of your own, and I'll have this more finished. And then I think that's about everything. So I'm going to shut this down, and hopefully I didn't go on too long because it's going to take forever to upload this. So everything that we've gone over this, syllabus, okay, you know kind of where everything is. Okay, I think, here, let me just pause for a moment. Okay, I looked over my to-do list. I think I have the schedule on there. Maybe that's what's bothering me. That's the thing I'm forgetting to do. So I'll try to get the schedule up there, and okay, so everything should be fine. So I will try to upload another video tomorrow, hopefully. And I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, just, I did update the schedule. So I was a little bit hasty saying goodbye. So I basically just changed the dates over here. I took out all the labs. The labs are listed. We can't do those labs now. Now, this is a tentative schedule. I really doubt we'll be able to get to some of these later chapters. I never have. I mean, usually the pace we go through gets us, we can start skipping around later on, but we usually don't get up to here. But there you can see there's exam 1 at the end of next week. There's exam 2 at the end of the 4th week, and then there's a final at the end of the 6th week. Okay, so this is now up on Canvas. Okay, and then remember, this is a work in progress. I can't stress this enough. This one will not be done until we're done with chapter 18. And I'm going to keep uploading. It's going to say, do you want to replace the existing? And I say yes, replace it with the new version. So again, it says right here, this PowerPoint is a work in progress. There's only 2 pages on it right now. Okay, there'll be more tomorrow, and I'll upload another one tomorrow. Just wanted to make you aware of that. All right, so I think that's everything, and then this time it really is, okay, this time I really am going to quit.